Open the door to adventure. Let's go to a place we've never seen. Discover the world on a journey. Live every day like it's made to believe. We'll make a friend with the forest. Fall asleep underneath the trees. Cover the night with the sunrise. Sail the sky like a deep blue sea. We could be anywhere. We could be with anyone. It doesn't matter how far we wander, how far we go. We're always home. We're always home.
Everyone is welcome to our family break weekend, where families can meet and have lots of fun in peaceful surroundings. Activities for children and teenagers are organised around a Buddhist theme and include meditation and positive thinking classes, drama, drawing Buddhas, outdoor games, karaoke and workshops for teenagers. The weekend's teenage activities will be organised and run by Gen Kelsang Dragden, who has years of experience and special skill presenting Buddhism to children. Kanan Bridget Hayes will guide the parents' session. Everyone is welcome. No previous experience of meditation or Buddhism is necessary.